Hi everybody, tonight I'm going to be making some Faroe Island salmon. I got it. I'm lucky enough to get it fresh by me. They say it's some of the best salmon that there is because it's an island near Iceland, very cold, very clean water. A lot of chefs say it's the most buttery tasting. A lot of the sushi chefs say it's the best for sushi. I got two pieces, about a pound for 13 bucks. I'll open it up for you. So there it is. Nice and orange, very high in omega-3s. Very healthy for you. I try not to eat this type of fish more than 3 times a week. Although my cardiologist says I can have it more, that's how good it is for you. It's just like I try to also watch some of my fats. Along with it, I'm going to have some fresh asparagus. And I went to a restaurant and bought some roasted Brussels sprouts so I can have those for a couple of days. And that's what I'm going to be making for dinner tonight. Personally, I just love salmon. It's one of my favorite fish. And since I discovered the Faroe Islands salmon, I just can't get enough of it. Some places do sell it frozen. Like I said, I'm lucky enough. Actually, both the farmer's market by me has it fresh, and also Fresh Market, which is not too far from me, also has it fresh. I've heard some of the Whole Foods have it. Like I said, it's right around the same price as salmon. I stopped buying mine at the regular grocery store because you never know if it's been frozen, even though they say never frozen, at least from a big fish place or from this big farmer's market that has this huge fish department. I know it's fresh. So I just heard that my air fryer is ready. So I'm going to go. It says add food. I'm going to use one of my handy dandy little air fryer liners to help keep it clean. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my salmon in with the other piece. Usually I have them take the skin off. I guess I must have forgotten to tell them because the skin's on, but no big deal. Peels off pretty easy, pretty quickly. And I grab some lemon. Again, I kind of cheat and use the squeezed lemon. There's some lemon up there. I have my spice mix that I made up. Again, I make it ahead of time. It's some onion powder, garlic powder, some steak seasoning, a little bit of dry mustard. Sometimes I throw some Italian seasoning in, smoked paprika, whatever I feel like. But usually those are my base things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season some of this. And a little bit more seasoning because I like a season. For me, as a treat, I have this 0-calorie brown sugar that I like to sprinkle on top. Just because it adds a little nice extra flavor. I'm going to not put too much on, just a little bit for some flavor. Because I like the flavor of it. And I'm going to get my asparagus ready, poke a little hole so that I can steam it right in the bag in my microwave. I'll put it on for about 3 minutes, let this start to cook. So this I'm cooking in my air fryer. It takes 10 minutes, so this meal is going to roughly take me about 13 minutes. Yeah, a couple minutes over, but for what it is, it's worth it. As soon as that's out of the microwave, I have these little cups that have a vent. I'll put the Brussels sprouts in for another 2 minutes. So I have 2.5 minutes left for the asparagus, and I'll put these in for 2 minutes. That's 4.5 minutes. Then I'll have roughly 5 minutes on the salmon. and I'll be dining. So hopefully you're having just as healthy of a dinner, and hopefully this teaches you a new way to make salmon. And like I said, the fresh vegetables, a little cheating. I went to the restaurant and ordered a large order of Brussels sprouts so that I could have them for a couple days so I don't have to take the time to make them. And that's my dinner for tonight. Enjoy. This will be on the website, or YouTube rather, and have a good night.